Hello there, it's Enda here from wpfixnow.com, where we give tips and tricks on how to use WordPress and how to get the best from your WordPress site. Now, this is part of my WordPress Sunday playlist, where you can just chill out for a few minutes and hopefully get some knowledge. Now, a customer just asked me yesterday, Enda, why would you recommend WordPress.org over WordPress.com? Well, there's numerous reasons why I would do that. WordPress.com is the cheap free option for hosting a website. Now, if you want to just create a site where you're updating your friends and family of what you had for lunch and what you had for dinner and where you're going this evening, then WordPress.com is the site for you. But if you want to actually self-host a site, WordPress.org is the way forward. With WordPress.com, you have limited, in fact none, monetization options. If you wanted to put affiliate links in there, you can't do it. If you wanted to have a membership site, you can't do that with WordPress.com. With WordPress.org, you can do that. You have full ownership of the site. It's self-hosted, and unfortunately, when I say self-hosted, that has a drawback as well, in the sense that you have to look after the security of the site and updating it yourself all the time and making backups of your site. With WordPress.com, you can obviously look after that yourself. You don't have to look after the security or the backing it up. WordPress look after all that for you. But there is a reason why sites like TechCrunch.com use WordPress.org. It's self-hosted. You've got full control over what you want to have on your site, and you own the whole site. That's about it, really. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel on wpfixnow.com. Have a good Sunday. Thank you.